Hi! Welcome back to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to use a copy and paste style feature for any element, column, section, or row to help you build pages super fast. So the easiest way to show you how this works is to scroll down and find a heading element. And for now we will add one more heading element onto the page, just right above it. And we want to copy the styles from this heading element to this heading element. So first we'll rename it like New Arrivals. And then we will come down to the original heading element, and with the pop-up toolbar, you can press Copy Styles. Then we'll come to our new heading element and click Paste Styles. And we can see straight away that it has copied all the styling from the original heading element. So you can actually use this for any element, column, row, or section, but we recommend always using it on specific elements to get the most accurate design possible. However, I still want to show you the way to copy and paste style of column and row because their toolbar is quite different from the toolbar of elements. First, I will create a new heading here. Change the content in the General tab, free shipping for example. And then customize its style in Styling tab. Now, I will copy the style of this column and paste it for this. Click on this column, the toolbar will appear. You can see that the toolbar has more functions than elements, which are add column to the left and add column to the right. I will click on Copy Style and move to the below column. Click on it and paste it here. And you can see two columns have the same style. For the way to copy and paste style of row, you can do similar to the heading and column. So the last thing to do is save and publish the page, and as always, hit live view to see the changes take place in real time. You can see in the hero banner, these two columns are similar. And scrolling down we can see that the new heading element has exactly the same stylization as the original heading element. And that is how you use the copy and paste style feature with PageFly to quickly replicate styles on building pages lightning fast. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.